In this video, we listed the 20 best traveling accessories for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: MomCozy Universal Stroller Organizer. The MomCozy Universal Stroller Organizer is a versatile and practical accessory designed for parents and caregivers looking to keep their essentials organized while on the go. This organizer is equipped with multiple features to enhance convenience, including insulated cup holders. These are perfect for keeping bottles, sippy cups, or beverages at the desired temperature. Detachable phone bag. A removable phone holder ensures secure storage and easy access to your smartphone, making it ideal for navigation or communication. Shoulder strap. The inclusion of a shoulder strap allows for effortless conversion into a standalone bag, providing flexibility for off-stroller use. Product 2. Product name: Silicone Makeup Brush Holder. The silicone makeup brush holder travel cosmetic bag is a thoughtfully designed accessory for beauty enthusiasts who prioritize convenience and functionality while traveling. This innovative brush holder features a soft silicone construction, ensuring durability and flexibility, while protecting makeup brushes from damage during transit. Key features: portable design, compact yet spacious. It accommodates multiple cosmetic face brushes, making it an ideal travel companion. Anti-fallout magnetic closure. The upgraded magnetic closure securely holds brushes in place, preventing them from falling out and keeping them organized. Large capacity. Despite its sleek and portable design, the holder offers ample storage space for various brush sizes and types. Stylish walnut finish. The elegant walnut color adds a touch of sophistication, making it not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. Product 3. Product name: Entenpower iDonut Travel Power Strip. The Entenpower iDonut Travel Power Strip is a versatile and compact charging solution tailored for individuals seeking a convenient way to power multiple devices while on the go. Designed with portability and efficiency in mind, this power strip features 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, offering ample charging options for a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other electronics. Key features: portable design. The iDonut Power Strip has a lightweight and compact build, making it an ideal companion for travel, whether it's for work, leisure, or staying in a hotel or cruise ship cabin. Short extension cord. The 3-foot extension cord provides enough flexibility to position the power strip conveniently on a nightstand, desk, or any surface, without adding unnecessary bulk. Multi-device charging. Equipped with 3 USB ports alongside the AC outlets, the power strip supports simultaneous charging for multiple devices. The USB ports deliver optimal charging speeds for small electronics. Product 4. Product name: Beyond Compression Packing Cubes Set. The Beyond Compression Packing Cubes Set is a practical and efficient solution for travel and luggage organization. This 6-piece set is designed to help travelers optimize their packing space while keeping belongings neatly arranged. It includes a mix of large and small cubes to accommodate various clothing and accessory needs, as well as a dedicated accessories bag and laundry bag for added convenience. The compression feature allows users to save space by reducing the bulk of packed items, making it an excellent choice for those who want to travel light or maximize their luggage capacity. Constructed with durable materials, these packing cubes are built to withstand frequent use and ensure that items remain protected during transit. Product 5. Product name: Yarmyu Travel Shoe Bag Set. The Yarmyu Travel Shoe Bag Set is a versatile and practical solution for organizing and protecting your footwear during travel. This set includes 4 bags, made from durable, waterproof nylon material that safeguards shoes from dirt, moisture, and odors. Each bag features a sturdy zipper for secure closure, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Designed for both men and women, these travel shoe bags accommodate various types and sizes of footwear, including sneakers, heels, and sandals. Their lightweight and compact design make them easy to pack into suitcases, carry-on, or gym bags, keeping your belongings organized and hygienic. The sleek black color adds a touch of style and professionalism, making them suitable for both leisure and business trips. Product 6. Product name Trunkratepro XL Trunk Organizer. The Trunkcratepro XL Trunk Organizer is an essential addition for individuals seeking to keep their vehicle's cargo space organized and functional. Designed for SUVs, cars, and trucks, this premium trunk organizer offers a combination of durability, versatility, and convenience. Featuring 6 spacious compartments that can be adjusted to fit varying storage needs, it caters to a wide range of organizational requirements, from groceries to sports equipment, tools, or travel essentials. Constructed with a non-skid bottom and reinforced straps, it ensures stability even during transit, preventing items from shifting or spilling. The collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use, while the extra-large capacity accommodates heavy loads effortlessly. The organizer is crafted with high-quality materials for durability, making it a reliable option for daily use or long road trips. Product 7. Product name Nishal Travel Toiletry Bag. The Nishal Travel Toiletry Bag is a thoughtfully designed organizer perfect for women who need a spacious and portable solution for their travel essentials. This large-sized bag, available in an elegant pink color, features multiple compartments tailored to accommodate full-sized items like shampoo, conditioner, and makeup brushes, alongside smaller makeup accessories. Its hanging design, complete with a sturdy hook, allows for easy access and convenient storage in bathrooms, closets, or hotel rooms. Crafted with durable materials, the Nishal Travel Toiletry Bag ensures that all your belongings stay secure and organized. The waterproof inner lining and well-padded design protect items from spills and impact, making it an ideal travel companion. With ample space and dedicated sections, it seamlessly blends functionality with style, making it a great choice for frequent travelers, vacationers, or anyone looking for a reliable and attractive toiletry organizer. Product 8. Product name Foldable 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. The Foldable 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station is an innovative charging solution tailored for Apple device users seeking convenience and efficiency. Compatible with MagSafe chargers, this versatile device can simultaneously charge an iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series, AirPods Pro, and an Apple Watch. Its sleek black design, portability, and foldable structure make it ideal for use at home, in the office, or during travel. Key features of the station include: magnetic wireless charging, ensures secure alignment and fast charging for MagSafe-compatible iPhones. Dedicated charging areas, separate zones for the iPhone, AirPods Pro, and Apple Watch ensure efficient energy distribution without interference. Foldable and compact design, the station's foldable nature allows for easy storage and portability, making it a convenient accessory for users on the go. Product 9. Product name Airplane Footrest. The Airplane Footrest 2-pack is a must-have travel accessory designed to provide unparalleled comfort during long flights or extended periods of sitting at a desk. This versatile foot hammock is tailored for airplane travel but also functions perfectly in office settings, enhancing relaxation and reducing discomfort. Key features: ergonomic design, the footrest promotes proper posture by supporting the feet and legs, reducing pressure on the lower back and improving circulation. Easy setup, with adjustable straps, it can be quickly and securely attached to most airplane tray tables or desk surfaces. Portable and lightweight, compact enough to fit in any carry-on or laptop bag, the footrest is a convenient companion for frequent travelers or office workers. Product 10. Product name Remote Luggage Travel Cup Holder. The Remote Luggage Travel Cup Holder is a convenient and innovative accessory designed to make travel more manageable, particularly for individuals navigating busy airports or train stations. This freehand drink carrier can hold 2 coffee mugs, keeping beverages secure and within reach during transit. Its design is tailored to fit snugly over roll-on suitcase handles, ensuring stability and freeing your hands for other tasks. The cup holder is made with durable, lightweight materials and features a universal fit, making it a versatile accessory for a wide range of luggage styles. It is particularly beneficial for frequent travelers, such as flight attendants or business professionals, who value functionality and efficiency in their travel gear. Product 11. Product name Laiko Luggage Leash. The Laikeau Luggage Leash is a versatile, multi-use clip-on harness designed to enhance travel convenience and efficiency. This product is perfect for securing luggage, backpacks, or other travel gear, making it a must-have travel accessory. Its adjustable straps allow for easy attachment to various items, ensuring that your belongings stay securely fastened during transit. Additionally, the luggage leash is not limited to travel purposes. It can also be used for sports equipment like baseball and hockey gear, making it an excellent choice for both avid travelers and sports enthusiasts. Ideal for individuals seeking a practical and functional solution for managing their gear, the Laikeau luggage leash serves as a reliable companion for organizing and transporting luggage, backpacks, and sporting goods. With its durability and ease of use, it makes for a thoughtful travel gift, catering to a wide range of needs while ensuring your items are always within reach. Whether you're on the move for work, sports, or leisure, the Laikeau luggage leash is a travel essential that complements your active lifestyle. Product 12. Product name Inflatable Travel Pillow. The inflatable travel pillow is a versatile and comfortable solution for travelers seeking to reduce neck and shoulder pain during long journeys. Designed specifically for airplane use, it provides excellent support for the head and neck, making it an ideal choice for sleeping or resting on flights. The pillow's inflatable nature allows for easy customization of firmness, ensuring the perfect level of comfort. In addition to its primary function as a neck pillow, it comes with an eye mask and earplugs, enhancing the overall travel experience by promoting better rest and minimizing distractions. This travel pillow can also be used at home, adding to its multifunctional appeal. Whether for air travel or relaxation at home, it helps alleviate discomfort during rest periods, contributing to a more comfortable and restful experience. Product 13. Product name Mateen Electronics Organizer Travel Case. The Mateen Electronics Organizer Travel Case is a practical and versatile storage solution designed to keep your tech accessories neatly organized while traveling. This water-resistant bag is ideal for storing essential electronics like phones, cords, tablets, and other small tech gadgets. Whether you're traveling for work or leisure, the compact case helps prevent tangling and damage by offering dedicated compartments for cables, chargers, and other accessories. With a sleek black design, this travel case is not only functional but also stylish, making it an excellent tech gift for men or anyone who frequently uses electronic devices. The bag's durable construction ensures that your electronics remain safe and protected from external elements like water or dust. This accessory is especially useful for those who carry a variety of gadgets such as smartphones, power banks, and headphones, ensuring everything stays organized and accessible during trips. Product 14. Product name Morphone 16-Pack Travel Bottles. The Morphone 16-Pack Travel Bottles set for toiletries is an excellent choice for anyone who needs compact, convenient, and leak-proof travel containers for their toiletries. This set includes 16 TSA-approved bottles, each with a 2 ounces or 3 ounce capacity, perfect for carrying shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash, and other essentials. The bottles are made of high-quality, BPA-free silicone, making them squeezable and easy to use. The leak-proof design ensures that liquids won't spill, offering peace of mind during travel. These travel bottles are a practical accessory for individuals who value organization and convenience, especially when packing for trips. Whether you're traveling for business, a vacation, or just a weekend getaway, this set provides a space-saving solution for carrying your favorite toiletries without the hassle of bulky containers. Product 15. Product name Coolife Expandable Suitcase. The Coolife Expandable Suitcase is a durable and stylish luggage option, ideal for travelers seeking convenience and security. This 3-piece set features suitcases made from high-quality PCABS material, offering both strength and flexibility to withstand the rigors of travel. The expandable design allows for additional packing capacity, making it versatile for longer trips or increased storage needs. Equipped with a TSA-approved lock, the suitcase ensures peace of mind during airport security checks. The spinner wheels provide effortless maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through crowded terminals or tight spaces. The set includes carry-on, medium, and large sizes, catering to various travel preferences, whether it's a short getaway or an extended vacation. This suitcase combines practicality with a sleek design, making it a great choice for modern travelers. Product 16. Product name Lapsuno Travel Backpack. The Lapsuno Travel Backpack is a versatile and durable backpack designed for travelers, students, and professionals alike. It features a spacious interior, making it ideal as a large carry-on for travel or reliable college-school rucksack. With a dedicated compartment for a 17-inch laptop, it offers protection and organization for tech-savvy individuals. The backpack is crafted from extra-sturdy materials and is TSA-friendly, allowing for quick and easy access during airport security checks. In addition to its practicality, the Lapsuno Travel Backpack comes equipped with a USB port, enabling you to charge your devices on the go, making it a great choice for busy commuters or digital nomads. Its sleek black design appeals to both men and women, and the ergonomic straps ensure comfort during extended use. Whether used as a travel companion, a school bag, or a work backpack, it's a great gift option for anyone on the go. Product 17. Product name Compression Bags. Compression bags are an essential accessory for anyone looking to maximize packing space, whether for travel or home storage. The 10-pack Space Saver bags, specifically designed for travel, offer a simple yet effective solution for organizing and reducing the volume of your clothing, bedding, and other soft items. These bags do not require a vacuum or pump for compression, making them convenient and easy to use. Ideal for both short and long-term travel, these compression bags help keep your items compact, saving valuable luggage space. They are particularly useful for organizing travel essentials, such as clothes, jackets, and shoes, and help protect your belongings from dirt, dust, and moisture. The bags are also effective for home packing, offering a smart way to store seasonal clothing or bedding without taking up excessive space in drawers or closets. Product 18. Product name Travel Pillow for Airplane. The Travel Pillow for Airplane 2-pack memory foam neck pillows are designed to provide comfort and support during travel, whether you're on a plane, train, or car, or even at home. This set includes 2 soft and supportive memory foam pillows in gray and blue, making them an essential travel accessory for long journeys. The pillows are crafted from high-quality memory foam that contours to the shape of your neck, offering optimal support to reduce neck strain and promote restful sleep. Ideal for frequent travelers, these pillows enhance comfort during travel, making them perfect for both relaxing and sleeping in various modes of transportation. Additionally, they can also be used at home for added comfort during naps or relaxation. Product 19. Product name Joyroom for MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder. The Joyroom for MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder is a travel accessory designed to enhance the in-flight experience, particularly for those using iPhones with MagSafe cases. This hands-free phone holder allows users to securely mount their phone on the seatback or tray table during airplane travel, ensuring easy access to their device without the need to hold it. It is compatible with the iPhone 16 Pro Max and other MagSafe-enabled phones, offering a stable and secure grip while ensuring the phone remains in place during the flight. With the unlimited scenery feature, this holder makes it more convenient to enjoy entertainment, use navigation apps, or follow in-flight instructions hands-free. It serves as an essential travel companion for those seeking comfort and practicality during flights, reducing the hassle of holding your phone for extended periods. The Joyroom for MagSafe holder adds value as a must-have airplane travel accessory, especially for those looking to make their flying experience more enjoyable and efficient.